Hello all, welcome back to our channel Nursery to Varsity. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn about computer vision. Computer vision is the technology that enables machine to visualize the things, or we can say that is given vision to the machines. Machine having camera can identify and classify object with the help of image and deep learning models to take action on what is detected. Applications of computer vision: navigation in autonomous vehicles and robots, automatic inspection, reading or extracting text, recognize objects, surveillance, and face recognition. Some of frameworks for computer vision are OpenCV, SimpleCV, Mahotas, OpenFace, Elastic. How computer vision works? Computer vision work very similar to human eye. The very first algorithm used in computer vision is CNN, convolutional neural network. The accuracy of detection is depend upon the amount of training data. While analyzing a video, we can use CNN and image analysis because a video is just a series of image running. For more improved result, we can use RNN, recurrent neural networks. RNN needs more precise training data. A lot of APIs also available for computer vision. Some of the API that we can use are Google Vision and Microsoft Cognitive Services. This is all for today's lecture. Hope you have enjoyed the tutorial. If you have any queries, you can either comment in comment box or mail us at nur2var@gmail.com. You can also follow us on Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram. You can see the links here. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updates. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Like, share and subscribe.